In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy an Etsy gift card, whether it's digital or physical, using the Etsy platform. We'll walk through each step to make sure you have a seamless experience. Whether you're gifting for a birthday, a celebration, or just because, a gift card can be the perfect way to let someone choose their own special item. Now let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to sign in to your Etsy account. This is a crucial step because you need to be logged in to make a purchase. Once you've logged in, scroll down to the very bottom of any Etsy page where you'll find a link labeled Gift Cards. Clicking on this link will take you to the dedicated gift card section where you can start your purchase. Next, you'll have a choice to make. Decide whether you want to buy a digital gift card that will be delivered via email or a physical gift card, which is available in certain locations. Think about what would be most convenient or special for the recipient. A digital card is fast and easy, perfect for last-minute gifts, while a physical card can be more tangible and personal. Once you've made your decision, it's time to fill in the required information. First, enter your name as well as the recipient's name. This personalization is important so that the recipient knows who the thoughtful gift came from. If you wish, you can also include a gift message. This is a great opportunity to express your sentiments and make the gift even more memorable. Next, select the amount you'd like to put on the gift card. Etsy offers preset amounts that you can choose from, but you also have the option to enter a custom amount if you'd prefer something different. Consider what the recipient might want to purchase and adjust the amount accordingly. After you've chosen the amount, go ahead and add the gift card to your cart. Now, it's time to head to checkout. Here, you'll need to provide your payment details to complete the purchase. Make sure the information you provide is accurate to ensure a smooth transaction. Once you've double-checked everything, submit your order, and there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily purchase an Etsy gift card, either digital or physical, right from the comfort of your own home. It's a convenient way to give someone the joy of shopping on Etsy, where they can explore countless creative and unique finds. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide makes your gift-giving experience on Etsy both enjoyable and rewarding. See you in the next video.